Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on use voice activity on your account on Discord on role settings. Easy and quick. First click here and now click here. Now click settings. Here you will find the roles. Click on it. Click here. Now click permissions. Here as you see you will find use voice activity. Click on it and click save, and it should be saved. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.